Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun drawing video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a level 40 Spinosaurus from Jurassic World the game. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video with me. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here. And I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go down and it's going to curve up like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve around for the eye. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go up and down. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to go out and it's going to curve down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go up and down. And then I'm going to curve this line up and then I'm going to bring it down to here. I'm going to make a line that goes down. I'm going to go up and down like this. Then we're going to go up. I'm going to bring it down, up and then down one more time. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes out and it's going to come down like this and it's going to hook around. I'm going to make a little line that goes around for kind of like where the lip would be. And then we want to make a line that goes down. It's going to kind of come to a little bit of a rounded point and then go really close to the mouth here. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out and it's going to curve around here. I'm going to add a little part of the mouth right there. Then I'm going to kind of fill up the mouth with teeth all the way along here. Long tongue that's going to be kind of sticking out. Comes right back here. Little line that goes up and then some more sharp teeth. I'm going to put a really long tooth right here and I'm going to kind of fill this up with some smaller kind of jagged sharp teeth all the way around here. Then I'm going to draw a little line up here for the other part of the mouth. I'm also going to add a little curved line around here for the nostril. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little line that kind of curves out and it's going to come up. And I'll also draw another line that's just going to go down and then it's going to come up. Next, what we want to do is we want to draw the arm. I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a line that goes down. Then I'm going to cross it right here. I'm going to make a little line that goes down. It's going to come to a point and back up. Another one right here. And then one more here, and then it's going to curve to show where the hand is. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out, and then it's going to come up to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and it's going to come out here. I'm going to make a line that curls around, comes to a point, and then back. Another one here, and then one more right there. Then I'm going to make a line that comes up. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out and then up here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and it's going to come up. Then right here I'm going to make a line that goes down and then it's going to curve back. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out like this. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that curls down and then it's going to come back. We'll make another one that does pretty much the same thing for another toe. And then I'm going to draw one more right here. that's going to come up. You can see it's kind of wider here, then it slowly gets skinnier up here. Then I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to draw a big curved line for the leg. Now, starting here, I'm going to just kind of curl a line around here. I'm going to bring it out to here. We're going to do the same thing that we did on the other foot, a little line that comes out and back. Another here for another claw. One more here. And I'm going to bring it up at an angle. And then we're going to bring it to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that's going to curve up here, because I always run out of room to make the tail going straight out. And then before I do anything else on that, I want to add the big back ridge on here, or that big spiny ridge. So that spiny ridge is going to start right about here. It's going to go up. And it's just kind of very pointed, so it just kind of goes up and down. And it's just going to kind of keep doing that. Some of the points might kind of square off a little bit up here. And then I'm just going to kind of keep curling these back here. And I'm just going to kind of bring them down. Now when I get up to here, I want to sort of follow the shape of this. So I'm going to have to kind of follow these spikes all the way along the shape of the tail till I end it there. So here's our basic drawing of our level 40 Spinosaurus. Now what we want to do is we want to add some of the different details in here. So one of the first things is I'm going to start by the eye, and I just want to add some little quick lines right around the eye for some little wrinkles and details. Add a couple little broken lines along here. And then maybe a line or two right up here. Bring some little broken lines here. And then same thing here to kind of show where the lips are. I want to make a little long broken line or two kind of here, and then some little lines that kind of curl up. A couple little lines right around the arms where everything is connected. And some curved lines on all the claws. Then we'll add a few wrinkle lines on each one. You can put one or two on each. Then I'm going to put some curved lines on here. I'm going to add a couple little kind of wrinkle lines around the knees here. And a couple little lines here. A little line over here. And then just some little broken lines around everything. I want to bring this line kind of up a little higher, and then I'm going to add some more little wrinkle lines around here. I'm going to put kind of a long broken line right around here just to kind of show where the body and these kind of big spikes meet. And then I'm just going to add some quick little light lines kind of going up and down here, just for a little bit of detail all along here. I'm going to add some kind of little curved lines right around the bottom of the tail with a little kind of line going through it. Maybe a couple little lines right around here. And then just kind of fill them up everywhere. You know I always like using the broken lines everywhere, so I'm just going to kind of put these all over. Add maybe a line around the nostril. And then a couple little lines in here. And then here you go. Here is your drawing of a level 40 Spinosaurus from Jurassic World the Game. Now, one of the things that this does have is it's going to have a lot of these different stripes on here, and I haven't added them yet because I was going to add those in when I actually do my coloring. But these are going to be very similar to like a tiger pattern. So what you want to do is just start lines here, and you're just going to kind of go down and up. They should be very pointy and everything. Some are going to curve around here and definitely on the legs and things too. So just some things to add. There's no right or wrong way to put them or certain area you have to put them. Just kind of fill them up with lots of nice stripes. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.